Hey, Sadie Tischer here from Green Homeowners United, and I'm here in my own basement to give you some context for one of the thermal images I want to show you here. So this is the area where I took the image. This is the window and the cinder block wall that we are working on insulating. So that is our next step. We're really excited for it. So you can see here in the image, this window has a little bit of heat loss outside the top and the corners. This is actually quite an energy efficient window. I wish we had the before picture, before these, we put in these windows. So we do have some heat loss. It's actually pretty good, but you can see a really significant blue and the 30s temperatures that this window is in. And we did actually insulate that, but there's some structural issues sort of beyond our control as to why we can't do that, where the brick meets the home. But my main focus here is our cinder block wall. As you can see in the image, it's in the 40s, it's in the low 40s. And we are experiencing, like every home does, some really significant heat loss out of these walls. Reason being is that concrete is a really terrible insulator. This barrier is meant for a lot of purposes, and insulation is not really one of them. So we kind of equate a cinder block wall to a single pane of glass, unfortunately. So especially in areas where we have frost and permafrost, we feel the most significant heat loss up high, and then there's a little bit less lower because that is below the frost line. So we're gonna be insulating these walls, and then when we install insulation, I'll post an update to show you what kind of temps we're working with once a basement wall is insulated.